On today's WTF, Scott and I are going to be tripping, but it's not what you think.
That's right, Janie. We're not going back to your rave days, because today on WTF, we're going to be taking miracle berries and seeing how they turn sour foods sweet. Hello and welcome to WTF, where we transform food here in the Modernist Pantry Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Scott Guerin.
And I'm Janie Wang, the owner of Modernist Pantry. Today, instead of talking about one of our own ingredients, we're going to be talking about a very special product called a miracle berry. It's super cool and we're going to do something crazy on camera. Scott, what is a miracle berry?
So a miracle berry is a really amazing fruit that has something in it called miraculin. And what that does is it binds to the sweet receptors on your tongue and it inhibits you from tasting that sour flavor, also some bitter flavors. So today we're going to be going through what I like to call like a gauntlet of different things, from pleasant to unpleasant. And then we're going to be taking a miracle berry and then going back through it and seeing how it changes mainly our facial expressions when we eat these things.
Okay, so it's not making anything sweet, so it's not changing the, whatever we're tasting. It's just our experience of it.
So yes, it binds to the sweet receptors and it makes you think sour items are sweet, or bitter items are sweeter than they are. The thing with the bitters is that you can still get it on like the back of the tongue and in other parts of your mouth, but you will have that sweet perception. It'll taste sweeter. So it's actually kind of nice if you're trying to wean off sugar in your coffee, you could just pop a miracle berry every morning and there you go, your coffee, which is acidic, will then taste a little sweet. So the first thing, pleasant. A nice dry stout on this cool winter's morning. So cheers. So it is acidic.
This is nice even without the miracle berry.
Pleasant to unpleasant, remember. And then we have something great, like a little lemon.
So there's like no palate cleansers in each of these items. We're just going.
Okay. Well, they're increasing in intensity. So yeah, something like a stout, and then we go all the way up to, I'll tell you what the last one is. So just lemon. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. Kind of bitter too, because I bit into the pith for some reason. Oh. Then, like I said, gets worse as we go.
Okay.
This is our own bitters that we made here in the kitchen, made from hops, pecans, a lot of different items in there. Should have some juniper flavor to it if you can get to it. You can use a spoon because I'm going to do something special.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I'll
just
go first.
Taste one.
I feel like a cat just want to like spit it back up. All right.
Great. All right.
Cool.
Well, I'm doing it for the views, Janie.
Do it for the views.
It smells nice, but it doesn't taste nice. So down the hatch.
Like the first couple of seconds, you're like, it's not that. Like, oh, nope.
Well, don't let it sit on your tongue either, because that's worse. So yeah, that's kind of miserable. It'd be nice in a drink, though. For this next one, we can use the spoons as well. So we just have some high quality apple cider vinegar. Just straight apple cider vinegar.
I think my stomach will not be thanking me for doing all this.
Very sour.
Very sour.
Very sour. And then the one I haven't told you about is pure citric acid.
Why?
Because it's sour. We need to see how well the miracle berry works. So let's take, well, that's a lot, Janie. Let's take a few grains of it. Let's cheers. Cheers on camera.
Cheers on citric acid. I hate my life. Oh,
it's so miserable.
Oh, it's not even going away.
Okay, so we'll get some clean spoons.
All right.
When you are going to take a miracle berry, I have to still be a professional. When you are going to take a miracle berry, you want to take it. It comes in a capsule, and what these are basically ground bits of the berry mixed in with a little bit of cornstarch, just so it makes a capsule. And you want
citric acid is like all in
here. It's rough. It's rough.
Oh my God.
There we go. So, and what this basically does, what they like to call it, is flavor tripping.
Ooh.
So, it'll come just like this, right? And then There's a, and they'll come just like little pills. And you want to pop one on your tongue.
So one is good for one person.
Yes, one is good for one person. It lasts about 30 minutes. So we did all these miserable kind of things other than the beer. The beer was nice.
I know, let's go back to that one.
Oh, we will. It'll be first. We're going to pop these on our tongue. We're going to let them dissolve. Don't chew them up. Just let them dissolve. They don't have sweetness, but you will start to perceive it as sweet towards the end, which is kind of cool. But yes, then you can do all sorts of things as they demonstrate here. You know, lemon, green apple, anything that has a little bit of acidity to it. Pickles, pineapple, cheese even.
Ooh.
Right? So here, we don't think we have to choose
All right,
this one.
I was like, well, it's not bottoms. Let's just
All right,
put them in.
And we'll see you in about maybe 5 minutes. All right, Jane, so now that the tablets have dissolved, are you ready to go through the gauntlet of sour and miserable again?
No, but let's do it anyway.
All right, cool. Well, back to the beer.
Sweet.
Let's calm those nerves a little bit. Another
All right.
cheers.
Cheers.
And let's see. That tastes like chocolate milk.
This is super good.
You
Just
can have
got
another
more.
sip. I mean,
Oh.
you're not going to get in trouble. You're the boss. Great. So
Keep this right here.
now
with
that
me.
we're flavor tripping, everything on here should taste sweet. And it'll only taste sweet for a duration of about 30 minutes, which is nice because then you don't have to go through an entire day where everything's just going to be sweet, 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 sweet. So let's go on to lemon.
we go.
Increasing, right? Still nice, still a fruit.
Yep, it tastes like candy lemon to me.
Yeah, almost like artificial
good.
lemon, right? It's so powerfully sweet.
Really nice.
It is really nice. That'd be nice, just like a sugar-free lemonade,
Yeah, exactly.
right?
See?
So
All
back, we're getting worse and worse. But try the bitters. Should have a slight bitterness towards the back of your
Yep.
mouth, but sweet,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, like I'm not making the face anymore.
Yeah. So let's do it again.
There you go. Down to hatch.
My stomach isn't super thrilled about this, but let's do it. Tastes like a Long Island iced tea.
Really? Oh yeah. I was like,
That's exactly what that tastes like. Tastes like a Long Island iced tea.
Yeah.
Could be that I just ate an entire lemonade or an entire
Oh,
lemon
see?
too. So
Like an Arnold Palmer.
yeah, that's really nice.
All right.
All right, I'm not
Back to
going to
the-
take a shot of this, but this apple cider vinegar,
Heartburn
good
for
for my
days.
health. Let's see. It's starting to get a
super
little.
sweet.
Yeah, I get a little bit of acidity, but not in a bad way. It tastes almost like a nice lemonade. I get
Yeah.
a real sweetness to it, though.
Yeah,
It
it's
tastes like
still like very, very acidic, but it's like a pleasant acidic.
Yeah. Now we get the tough one at the end.
All right.
Remember, we don't need too much here.
Yeah, I
'cause this
learned my
is-
lesson on the first one.
Yeah,
Go for like a big old
We can cheers.
teaspoon of it. Cheers.
citric acid. Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. What are
That's
those,
crazy.
Like, sour worms or whatever those things are.
Like I get a little bit of
Yeah.
like the pinch in my cheek from something that's
It's still
acidic?
making my mouth water like crazy,
Yeah.
just like the last time. But now I'm
it tastes like Sour Patch
Yeah.
Kids.
so.
That's
There you have it.
Super cool. Yeah.
So, if you want to do this, it's really great. You can just buy this little packet, and you can do it at a party.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you want to do it at a restaurant, surprise somebody with a dessert that's
Yes.
extra special.
So one of the cool things is some people make a complete dish. They eat it, and then if it's on a tasting menu, they'll give the same dish later on, but they will have a miracle berry just like come to the table. So you eat the miracle berry, and then you have that same dish, and it tastes completely different because all the sour notes are perceived as sweet. So you can get some really cool things just from adding this one little ingredient. Or if you're just doing it at a party or like a dinner party with your friends, add this in there and really blow people's minds.
Yeah. And if you stick around, we're gonna have an extra little special thing that we're gonna put in at the very end. It's an Easter egg.
Kind of just show you that we're not fibbing on any of this. So
As you can see, we're fantastic actors.
yes,
It's all show.
great. So I think that's about it. I think everyone should definitely try this, even if it's just for a dinner party or something like that, because it's super cool.
Yeah. And then we saw chili peppers on there, like, well, we could have done chili peppers next time.
Yeah, next time.
Okay. So from here in the Modernist Pantry Test Kitchen, I'm Janie Wang.
And I'm Scott Guerin.
Cheers.
All right, Chloe. We have some sour things here.
Okay.
I think we should find out if they're actually sour before we take the Miracle Berry.
No, I'm not going to do it. I am not going to.
Do you want to
do
just
it.
at least taste the lemon?
No. I do not like sour things.
You don't like sour things?
No.
Okay. So how about we take the Miracle Berry, and I promise you that after it dissolves, these will not be sour anymore.
Okay. Are
I
you gonna
promise.
Take it?
No, I'm going to prove to the people that they're sour.
Okay. You
I already did
first.
earlier on in the video. So let's take the Miracle Berry. You want to grab that?
Mine.
Don't chew it up. Just put it in your mouth and
Okay.
like a lollipop, just to let it dissolve. So let it dissolve, and then we'll try these in just a few minutes, okay?
You try them first.
Yes, when we come back.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to eat one of these first to prove it's sour, and then you're going to try one.
Yeah.
All right, so I've already done this once. It's not fun. Yep. It's sour, Chloe. Now your turn.
Okay. Tastes like lemonade.
There you go. See? You can eat the whole thing if you'd like. It's not bad, right? It's sweet. Kind of cool.
I'm nervous for this.
Yes. We don't need much, so this is going to be your spoon. Just has a few little grains on it.
Okay. Now you try it first.
Yes, I will. Right. So, no, you have to watch. That's the funny part, right?
Okay.
Yep. Not sour. There we go. Try not to tilt it. There you go.
What's it gonna taste like?
You'll see.
Tastes like Sour Patch Kids.
See? We weren't lying. You think you could eat sour things now since you don't like them? If you took a little Miracle Berry?
Yeah.
And you can finish that. Yes, you can finish that. So, I guess that's about it. We proved it with a child. And children don't lie, that's for sure. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. And if you want these great recipes and these awesome ingredients, first you're going to have to like, comment, and subscribe. And then you're going to go to blog.modernistpantry.com where you can find those awesome recipes and you can ask a chef. And to get these great ingredients, go to modernistpantry.com. And until next time, we'll be here in the Modernist Pantry Test Kitchen helping you transform food.